Need more space on your Android? In 60 seconds I'll show quick, safe steps. First, open the Settings app and look for Storage or Device Care. Tap Storage to view used space, categories, and suggestions from your phone. Zoom into storage details and check apps, images, videos, and system storage. Clear App Cache. Pick an app, tap Clear Cache to free temporary files. Uninstall unused apps. Long press App, select Uninstall, confirm removal. Open Files or My Files to find large files and downloads to delete. Empty the Downloads folder and delete duplicates or old screenshots. Use Google Photos Free Up Space feature to remove backed up images safely. Enable Smart Storage or Storage Manager to automatically remove old files. Quickly review the storage summary to confirm reclaimed space and app changes. Done. Restart if needed and enjoy more space on your Android device.